Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. To start, open up your Instagram application on your mobile and now tap on your profile in the bottom right and tap on these three bars in the upper right corner and then click on settings. Once on settings, click on privacy. Then here go to story. Once you are in story, tap on close friends. Now add some close friends for your Instagram profile. Just give them a check and then tap on done. Within here, go back. Now the next step is to click on your profile to add a story. Then in here choose anything like this and then post the story as it is. Then in here select close friend. You can see I have selected my close friend option and then you can share this story. So tap on this share. Now share the story with your close friend. We are doing this so no one else could view the story, but then we can add this story to our highlights. Now tap on this add highlights and now you can add it to highlights and then you can create a name. And now if you refresh your timeline, you can see your highlight is added. This is our highlight. You can see. So that's it for this video. That's how you can add highlight on Instagram without posting story. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.